Hello foodies, how are you today? Today on the menu we have chuck wagon beef stew. Yeah, slow cooker style I'm gonna make it. Here's the slow cooker over here. And over here, Anthony will show us the star of the show is a beautiful center cut beef chuck I have here, boneless, which I'm gonna cut up in the next few videos and show you how to cut it up, take out any unnecessary fat or sinew. And then I have some of our aromatic vegetables. I have celery, carrot, and I have some onion, right? And also in this recipe, we're gonna throw in some potatoes, because potato is what? A starch. And what's a starch? It's a thickener, okay? And then I'm going to put some beef broth in. Beef broth, we're gonna have beef broth. And some garlic, a little Worcestershire sauce, right, and garlic. And then some oregano, a little paprika, and some bay leaves, and salt and pepper, and flour on the beef when I cut it. And we're going to brown it in the pot and slow cook it on high for about 4 hours, 4.5 hours to do the job. Then you'll check to see that it's nice and tender. So there we have it. Couldn't be more simpler. I like to think of it like we're on the prairie with the chuck wagon and over the fire in the cast iron pot. But you know, this is modern times, so we're going to use the slow cooker and do it here in our home and warm up our home doing slow cooking for our family. So as we always like to say, we eat, enjoy, we get together, we sit at the table, we talk, and with some bread, this will be a sop-up, beautiful, delicious meal, nice and delicious beef stew. So there we have it. Let's explore beef and go down the road to beef happiness today. So this is Peter Carpizos, as always, out.